What if I told you that everything you see around you, the solid ground beneath your feet, the refreshing water of the oceans, and the very air you breathe, represents less than 1% of the visible matter in existence? We're taught from a young age that matter exists in three familiar forms: solids, liquids, and gases. But the truth of the cosmos is far more electrifying. Nearly 99% of the observable universe consists of a mysterious, glowing, and hyper-energetic substance known as plasma. This is the first state of matter, a primordial energy born in the heart of the Big Bang long before the first solid rock ever formed. It is a hidden empire, the energy of creation itself, flowing through the vast reaches of space and fueling the brilliant furnace of every star in the night sky. To understand plasma, we have to look at what happens when matter is pushed to its absolute breaking point. When you heat a solid, it melts into a liquid. Heat that liquid further, and it evaporates into a gas. In a gas, atoms are like independent billiard balls, bouncing off one another. But, if you take that gas and subject it to the staggering heat of a star or the violent energy of a massive electrical discharge, a miraculous transformation occurs. In a process called ionization, the atoms become so agitated that they can no longer hold onto their electrons. Negative electrons are ripped away from their positive nuclei, creating a shimmering, hot soup of free-floating charged particles. This is no longer a gas. It has transitioned into plasma, a state where matter becomes a superconductor of electricity and intensely sensitive to the invisible, sweeping forces of magnetism. Imagine a crowded ballroom filled with dancers. In a gas, the dancers move independently, occasionally bumping into one another but otherwise disconnected. But in plasma, those dancers become electrified and deeply interconnected. They no longer move randomly. They respond to invisible magnetic and electric fields that stretch across the room like hidden puppet strings. They sway together, glow with internal light, and move in perfect, complex harmony over vast distances. This is why plasma is often described as the living state of matter, a bridge between the microscopic world of the atom and the infinite expanse of the stars. The universe is not a silent or empty void, it is a vast, churning ocean of plasma. Our sun is the most prominent example. It is not a ball of burning gas, it is a gargantuan sphere of churning plasma held together by gravity. At its core, this plasma is squeezed so tightly that nuclear fusion occurs, releasing the staggering amounts of light and heat that sustain all life on our planet. Beyond the sun's surface lies its corona, a ghostly halo of plasma that is paradoxically millions of degrees hotter than the surface itself. This corona sends out solar winds, streams of charged plasma, that bathe our entire solar system. Even the deep spaces between the stars are filled with thin, ionized plasma forming massive, glowing nebulae, the cosmic nurseries where new stars are born. On Earth, we see this raw power when lightning tears through the atmosphere, momentarily turning the air into a conductor of plasma hotter than the surface of the sun. We see its beauty in the shimmering auroras at the poles, where solar plasma crashes into our magnetic shield, painting the night sky in ethereal greens and purples. Humanity has only recently begun to harness this celestial power. We see it in neon signs, in industrial plasma torches that slice through steel, and in modern medicine, where cold plasma is being researched to destroy cancer cells. But the ultimate goal is the holy grail of energy, nuclear fusion. Scientists are currently building massive machines, like the ITER Project, designed to bottle up plasma at temperatures exceeding 150 million degrees Celsius, 10 times hotter than the center of the sun. If we can master this star in a bottle, we unlock a source of clean, unlimited energy that could power our civilization for millions of years. Plasma is also our key to the stars. Unlike traditional chemical rockets, plasma propulsion systems, like ion thrusters, can accelerate particles to incredible speeds, allowing us to travel further and faster with far less fuel. This technology may one day carry the first humans to Mars and beyond. Ultimately, plasma is the invisible thread that connects everything in the cosmos. It is chaotic yet structured, simple yet infinitely complex. From the tiniest spark in a laboratory to the glowing heart of a distant quasar, plasma is the universe in motion. It is a constant reminder that beneath the surface of the familiar world we know, there is a hidden, powerful energy that shapes the light, the stars, and the very fabric of reality itself.